Oh, I don't know. That one's not gonna work. That's a dryer.
I think I want them instead of opening
You want to collect instead of open them? Well, we gotta go to Sam's to get muffins, so we gotta go at some point. Okay, maybe they got new cars and we'll see something different.
If I find a Corvette Stingray, I'll be happy and take that. I'll take the Porsche GT3 too.
Oh yeah? Did you just fart?
Yeah.
You stink.
But I'm gonna leave this one. I forgot to ask them
Yeah?
permission. But let me pause it and ask them permission.
What are you gonna ask?
But is it okay if I run it for a whole minute?
You ran it. Leave it. You can leave it.
No.
It's okay.
But they're not gonna unplug it. I can turn it off quickly. But if it goes too, but if it races, I'll turn it off.
Yeah. Okay, you ready to turn it off?
But I'm not being rude.